We will go with one more example. Suppose I like to download the image of mango. So I type mango. I want images. Click on images. Then we will go to tools section. Click on tools. Then in the tools we will get the option size, color, usage right, type and time. In size we will have large, medium and icon. Large, if I click I will get the large mangoes. Medium size mangoes. Then I can choose also different colors. What color you want. Suppose I want red mangoes. So I will get all the images of red mangoes. Here you can see. If I want only yellow mangoes, I will click here, then click on yellow. So all yellow mangoes. Next is important usage right. So on clicking usage rights, we will get these options: labeled for reuse with modification, labeled for reuse, labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, labeled for non-commercial reuse. So always select label for reuse with modification. That means you can reuse and also modify it. Next one is type, clip art, line drawing or GIF images you want. So always please remember usage right. Please download only copyright free images. Next we will see next website, that is Pixabay. So for this again you have to go to Google Chrome, type Pixabay. So this is the Pixabay website, pixabay.com. Now this is free website, you can download any number of photos from here. Suppose I want a image desert. Now see here, don't go for the first these photos. These are sponsored images. So leave these are sponsored by some company, iStock. So leave that. Below that you are having 13,335 free images of deserts. See, thousands of images are there. So you can choose anyone. Suppose I want this. So go to click on that image, then click on free download. Now click on free download, you will get these options. What size of image you want. More the size, more clear the picture will be. So we will choose a middle one, this 1920 multiplied by 1440. So it is having only 521 KB and the bigger version is 2.4 or MB. So we'll go for this. So download. So there will be option. Now here select all skies with traffic light. If there are none, click on stop. So this is a security check. So I am not a robot. Okay, download. So you get the downloaded image here. Desert, this one. So this is my image. You can save this in any folder you want. So once again I will repeat. You have to go to pixabay.com. www.pixabay. This is pixabay.com. Here you get photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, music. So all these are free. Suppose I go to music. So what type of music I want? So these all are royalty free musics. If I want this one. So you can click on this download and download it. See here, the image is getting downloaded here. Sorry, the music is going to download. See here. So you can open your folder and so you can play it in any player whichever you are having, Windows player, KM player. Okay, so there are hundreds of videos also here. From these videos you can download anyone. Now these are the morning videos. Please always remember, don't go for the first videos. These are the sponsored ones. You have to go for the free ones. So this is the video I got for morning videos. So from here I can download it. So second one was pixabay.com. Okay, next one is ccsearchcreativecommons.org. ccsearchcreativecommons.org. So for this also go to Google. cc search creativecommons.org. Go to this website. So this is also a free website. So what I would like to see? I would like to see a giraffe. So hundreds of images of giraffe you can see here. Audios, videos, these all are free. So I get hundreds of mangoes here. So remember CC search creativecommons.org. This is also a free website. From here you can download image, audios and videos also. The next one is, which is free, is Bensound. Now from this you can download hundreds of sounds. Now for this also go to your Google search and go for the website Bensound. So this is www.bensound.com, royalty free music. So see these are all the videos which are freely available. So here also same option. Suppose I like to download this video. First see what it is about. So this is childish royalty free music track. So for this also you have to click on download. So here free license with attribution. So download this. Here free license with attribution means you have to mention the person who has uploaded this audio. Then one more thing is there, you can purchase also, that is given, option is given. So best for educational use we should download freely, free license with attribution. So you can click on download. So here the video is the audio is getting downloaded here, this one. You can here login also. You can create your account. You can upload your audios also here. These are the different sounds. So explore. Next one is YouTube audio library. So it is also a free. Go to Google, YouTube audio library. So this is YouTube audio library. It is also freely available. So these are the videos which are freely available. Search whatever you want and you will get it. Next is Facebook sound collections. This is also free. www.google.co.in. Facebook sound collections. So these are the collections. Download free sounds. So here is the collection. You can download, search it. You can create your page, upload your photos, your images. So these all are the free available websites. First is google.co.in, pixabay.com, CC Search Creative Commons, Bensound, YouTube Audio Library, Facebook Sound Collections. The best one which I like is pixabay.com. So for this you have to log in. You can log in through your Facebook or Google account. If you log in to this website, you can upload the photos also. Second one is Bensound. This is also a very nice free website. You get hundreds of audios here. Different types you can select. You can search for them. Then audio library, YouTube audio library. Here you can search. Then last one is Facebook. Facebook, free images, legal music and sounds. So today you please go through all these sites and try to download at least 2 or 3 images, sounds from these websites. Thank you very much.